What's up, guys? It's January 3rd, 2024. We had a broad channel and then a bearish breakout. I think there's FOMC minutes as well. Big gap down by the bears with continuation. Not too often we see a big gap down with continuation, but that's good for the bears. First 6 bars of the day. We can see lots of selling pressure between bars 2 to 4, 2 to 5 honestly. We have a big gap down, bar 1 is follow through, and lots of selling pressure. I think they get a small leg 2 move here with bar 6, and then bulls buy this for, I think this was about 10 points. Made money here. Oh, why did I do that? Cancel. There we go. They made money here. Oh, 7 points. This kind of looks like a bull bar to me. It was a bear bar because it opened below this bar, but it sold and then reversed up. So it has bullish pressure, but it still printed a bear bar because of the open. First 6 bars of the day, kind of like continuation, small continuation. Then they get a pullback and then a deeper leg 1, leg 2 move. Maybe this whole thing could be a leg 1, leg 2 move. It's not a symmetrical leg 1, leg 2 move. When it's not symmetrical, it's less likely to get followed through. And I mean, technically, it did pull back by the end of today. It was met, but not off the bat. Bars 8 to 9 is strong selling, and I think I was short here for a leg 2 move. It ultimately, I had to scalp out as this bar turned up. I thought this was going to be strong enough to tag last week's low. That's what my PT was. It started to pause, and then I looked at it as more climactic because there's a leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, or it could be a leg 1, leg 2, leg 3. And each leg was getting smaller, so that tells me that the trend is getting weaker. And that's 3 legs down, so it's a wedge bottom. And then bulls finally get a gap right here, a very small gap. They also get a micro gap here as the market's moving, but that gets closed. Here's the gap the bulls get and create a higher low. I think, I think bar 35 was a good long. It led to a 2-legged move. It was a breakout, leg 1, leg 2. I got out here. So yeah, that was a nice trade for a leg 1, leg 2 move. And then the markets went into a pretty tight range. FOMC minutes. Best to stay out of this. Just wait for direction, follow through. Hope no one got trapped at highs. I got trapped at highs. And yeah, it was a pretty good day. Strong bull channel. The bull gap stayed open here. And then, I mean, pretty good day for the bulls. They had 3 pushes up. And we can see it fairly clearly. Leg 1, pullback. Leg 2, deep pullback. And the third flag failed. It was more parabolic. It was a fast bar. Biggest bar late in a bull trend. Third push up. Third legs tend to fail. And then you can see bar 64 bears get the rejection and they get their strong breakout then 2 legs down. Really good trade. The better trade was at the end of the day, if you ask me. Let's see. I don't think that was a leg 1, leg 2 move. No, that's too deep. How about from the EMA to bar 72 to the high? Yeah, that's a little bit better. How we can see there's some implied legs here. There's a leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, leg 4. And this becomes a wedge, good for a scalp. I don't think we should take that, but the market did pull back into the EMA. Bar 74, get 1 leg, 2 leg, or maybe you say 1 leg, pull back, 1, 2, pull back 3, wedge bottom. Here's a wedge bottom. Here's a wedge bottom. And then the bulls buy the low of the week, last week's low. The market's still moving. This is like the last 3 bars. I'm on the Emini, so it's 81 bars instead of like 78, I think, something like that. Yeah, it was a good day, good range. This was FOMC minutes. Best to just stay out and wait for direction. We can see how leg counting is pretty legit. Leg one, leg two, leg three, and the move shrunk. The downtrend was getting weaker as it got deeper into the trend, and then they did a reversal, range, breakout. Here's the leg one, leg two pullback, leg one, leg two, leg three, wedge bottom bull flag, higher low, three pushes up here. That creates that in itself is a bear flag. I'll show you. Bear flag, three pushes up. Didn't mean to do that. And right there would be the top-ish, kinda. You guys see it now? This is the pull. I'm gonna turn off the numbers. Done with that. It's a pretty bad drawing, but I'm sure you guys can kind of see the flag, the double top, three pushes up, creating a wedge top. Good range on the day. There's that pullback. Finally tagged the EMA after how many days? This is the daily chart. How many days? How many days? Oh. So from November 2nd to 41 days since the first pullback happened, for the last touch of the EMA. That's about 2 months, 22, 21 trading days in a month, so two months of day trading. Wow, that's crazy. November, January, yeah, December, January. That's crazy. Here's the hourly chart. It's looking like a strong trend. Pullback sold, pullback sold. Looks like buyers are stepping up a little bit. Still not a lot of buying pressure. There's more buying pressure here, and it's still sold off. So we'll see what the bulls can do if they can get some bars and start pushing. This is the first touch on the daily. First touch at over 20 bars is usually a buy. It'll be interesting to see how the market reacts later, because you remember first touch on the hourly, it happened over here and it was a buy. Look, it led to another trend. We think about it on the 5 minute, we think about it on the hourly. There's no reason to not think about that on the daily, because it's price action is fractal. The pullbacks are getting deeper. First flag, second flag, and now look at that. We actually touched the thing. So maybe they get a head and shoulders, maybe a new high and sell. We'll see how the market reacts. Maybe they just shoot down. Be interesting. Second trading day of the year. Was it Tuesday, Wednesday? Third trading day of the year. I lost all my gains. I was pretty much break even on the day, and then I saw this and I bought this pullback and I added some here, and then I saw this happen, and instead of just hitting out, I put my stop down here. I got too attached to my position and these bars were way too big. I thought we were going to race back up to fill the gap, and instead of acknowledging this, I just got hit out for 12 points, so that's minus 1,200. I was up only 600 on the account, so I'm down 600 again, and once again, right back to the idea that $250 a day. I make a lot of money here on days like this, and then days like this remind me the point isn't to make money, the point is just to get, I just need to make that initial $3,000. I was doing a little bit of math, and there's still 19 trading days left in the month, and 16. It's crazy to think, like, if I just follow the code, 250 times 19 is 4,700. I only need to make $4,000, just under $4,000 to make my payout by January 1st. 16 trading days, so $250 a day, walk away no matter what happens, and I still get paid the same time I would. But I've got on a post-it now, so that's my goal, is to start the year strong. 250 accounts bouncing between up a couple hundred, down a couple hundred, up a couple hundred. So yeah, it'll be interesting. I'm trying my hardest to get this payout February 1st, 250 a day. So yeah, it'll work out. You guys have a good one. Hope you guys are having a good year. Hit the follow button. I'm gonna try and do these videos every day for the whole year. I appreciate you guys for leaving comments and watching the videos. The watch time's been going up. It's kind of crazy to think. Really good move here, leg one, leg two. But yeah, have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.